Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix in Instagram you cannot share post now because your account activity may not follow your community standard and Instagram cannot post story, photos and reels. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps. Again tap on manage apps, search Instagram application, click on Instagram application, tap on storage, again tap on clear data, click on clear cache data on Instagram application. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version and solve this problem. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram cannot post story, reels, share problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.